So when it comes to human interaction design and education, there's plenty of graphical user interface or GUI based courses you can take online. And that's called front-end development. And it's my favorite side of programming. I've done a ton of front-end and back-end programming in my life. The most fun part about programming is the element of dragging and dropping controls, etc. I love visual programming. I think one of the reasons that Microsoft bought Mojang, which is the parent company of Minecraft, is because the younger generation uses Minecraft kind of like it's a software development kit that's visual. And they'll basically use if and then statements, turning on a switch to open a door, fire a pretend missile. And I think what's going to happen is the next generation of programming interfaces is going to be more visual, and it's also going to be AR based. And so Microsoft bought a product called HoloLens as well, which allows you to do 3D modeling, which is really cool. And so I think the next generation of programming languages is going to be based on AR. Okay, not so much VR, augmented reality, because with VR I get a little bit dizzy personally when I use it. I'm an old man. With AR, it is reality as well, because you can actually see stuff around you as you drag and drop components to paint a screen or make wireframe apps, for example. Now, there's other companies that have gotten into VR and AR as well, because we all know that the next platform that's going to be really, really big is something virtual, right? Probably AR based. And so Facebook bought Oculus years ago. Google bought a company in Florida called Magic Leap, which is amazing. And Sony just yesterday announced it was the 5th year anniversary of their VR product. And so all of those aforementioned 4 or 5 companies all know that longer term, the operating system platform that's going to be dominant is some sort of rendition of AR. And I'm playing around with it a lot, and you can do it as well. So you can use Unity and many other developing products which are free, or you can actually use Adobe Dimensions, which I use all the time with 3D modeling in my MBA degree program. Last thing I'll say about this is longer term, my vision for my MBA program is to make an augmented and virtual reality version of it as well, so that you can network with people all over the world when you take all the courses in my comprehensive MBA program.